Peirs snowblower, the drive shaft, broke. And this sprocket originally had a bronze insert, bronze bearing, I guess you want to call it, bronze bearing in there. But the bronze bearing was all worn and chipped. It actually slipped out of the sprocket here, and it was sticking out 1/4 of an inch and broken that. So anyway, I wanted to get a new bronze bushing for it. So I went and I got all the stuff, and the fellow gave me a new bronze bushing, which is exactly the right ID, inside diameter, 1 1/4 inches. This goes onto the shaft perfectly, but the outside diameter was too big. Not much, 2/10 of an inch, too big. So I had to reduce the outside diameter. I had to reduce this a little bit. Without a lathe, I couldn't quite figure out how to do it. It took me a little while, but finally I figured out how to do it. I was able to get 2 washers that are almost exactly the same, 1 1/4 inside diameter. I put those 2 washers on the outside of this 7/16 bolt, and I put another washer on each end, and I put a 7/16 bolt and nut through, nice and snugly. Then I put it into a drill, and again, don't laugh at me. I know it's a cheap Ryobi drill, but it's done a good job for me for a long time. This old drill has built a lot of things. I put it into a drill like this, and now when I spin the drill, that spins, and then I just took files, necessary files as required. I just, you see that? Get it down small enough that I think I can now get it into the bushing, and I'm within 1/100 of an inch now, correct diameter. So I think I can get all these washers and crap off of here. You see, that's what I did. Now I should be able to get that started into the hole. Yeah, it just starts into the hole. So I'm going to put this into the oven and warm it up for a while, up to about 400 degrees, and I'll stick this bushing into the fridge, into the freezer, and I should be able to come out and very gently with a nice piece of wood and a soft hammer tap that down in there. When the whole thing cools, it ought to be solid. The real reason for the video is to simply show you there's this rig that I made up to reduce this bushing outside diameter down to the right diameter. Okay guys, that's it. Take care. Talk to you soon.